Kobe brought, I know, this little boy brought a bird in the house. Ew, and it's flying in my room. I don't know how he did that. He just started barking and going crazy. And a bird flies in the house. And I'm freaking out. Come here, Coates. Why'd you bring a bird in the house? Oh my God. Hear that shit? Kobe, get it. Get it. Go get him. Oh my God, there's a bird. I don't know where it is. Little boy, what did you bring in the house? Kobe, go get him. Go get him.
How the hell did...
It's there! It's flying! Oh my God, it's on my pillows.
Oh!
Oh my God.
Timo! Back up!
Oh my God, this is funny, but it's scary at the same time.
Yeah, it's hiding.
Where did it go? Ew, wasn't it just...
What the hell?
Is it there? Is it under the bed? Wasn't it behind the pillows?
Yeah, where was it? So what's behind this thing?
This is nice. Bird. Did it go under the bed?
No, what's behind this thing?
But wouldn't it fly already if it...
I know, right? It's tight.
Oh my God, how does a bird get in the house, Kobe? How?
Crap.